Guys, this is Sahil from alphabetazone.com, and in this video I will show you how to on the incognito mode on YouTube. So if you want to visit any specific video or any specific video on YouTube, you can on the incognito mode, so there is no history of your video watching on incognito mode. So if you want to on the incognito mode, first you need to open your YouTube app and click on the profile icon, and now you can see that there is the option of turn on incognito mode below your channel option. Click on that incognito mode. Now you can see that incognito mode will be on now, and if you visit any of the YouTube video, there is no search history, so YouTube will not collect data from your YouTube app in order to show you results. So this is the way to on incognito mode, and this is the way to view videos in incognito mode. I hope this guide was helpful. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.